I'm going to show you how you can pay with Cash App on Xbox. First off, from iPhone and or Android, you want to go to the app. You want to go to the card icon on the bottom there. After that, you can see there is a cash card option here and you want to see virtual card only. Click on order. Now, once ordered, pick a color, doesn't matter. Click on continue. And then after that, you can see this is what the page will look like. Again, just tap on continue. Now, once there, you can see this is the details about your card and you'll have your virtual card active. You can also get a actual physical card if you'd like, but you do need to activate that once it arrives. But after that, you're done, right? This is what the virtual card will look like. You can start using it. Now, once you have it used, now you want to go to the Microsoft account picture here. Now, if when you first log in, it is what it will look like. You'll start from account here, but you want to go to payment options here. Now, on payment options, from the detail you got from the virtual card earlier, set that up, make sure it's ready. You want to click on this, add a new payment method. Now on add a new payment method, go to credit card or debit card, and then just enter in the detail of your Cash App virtual card right here. It'll just act like any other normal credit card or Visa card, and then that's it. Once you have it all filled up, you can see the credit card. It will be added as an option on the account here, and you can start using it to pay on your Xbox.